If you're trying to become a contractor in 2025, I'm gonna tell you the top 3 skills you must have in order to win. Now, this is with no skills, no experience. Anyone can become a contractor, right? I know a lot of contractors are gonna balk at that, but I'm just being real. Being a contractor requires the 3 skills that you will learn in this video today. And with that being said, the number 1 skill is a contractor is a salesman. You must understand that if you're going to book out your schedule for 30 days, 60 days, whatever, you got to be a salesman. You got to be able to sell the schedule, right? And then with that, if you don't know how to sell, how you going to get jobs? How you going to talk to a customer, right? So that's number 1. And this is what we teach in our community, that there's certain ways that there's certain things that you can do to actually win. So number 2, you got to be good at managing, right? So as a contractor, you're a project manager, man. That's what you are. You're a project manager. So if you don't know how to put pieces together and be a problem solver, you're not going to make it as a contractor. So that's number 1. You got to be great at sales. Number 2, you got to be a project manager. You got to be a problem solver. All right. And then number 3, now, when I give you this one, I'm telling you, what I would like to do is have you join a community so that I can help you on your journey. Whether you're already in a contracting game or you're trying to get in a contracting game, we can help you, because right now we're doing, 150,000 in revenue monthly. And so with the few methods that we actually have that we've been teaching in our community, we can actually help you do the same thing. It's not that hard. So going back to the top 3 skills you will need in 2025 to actually become successful as a contractor. 1, again, let's repeat that. 1, got to be a salesman. 2, you got to be that problem solver, project manager. And then number 3, you just got to be resilient. And what I mean by that is it's not going to be perfect days, right? It's going to be tough. Some days you're going to go out there, it's going to be a great day, you're going to make money, you're just going to be feeling like the best. And then some days you're going to go out there and you're just going to make some mistakes, right? Because you're going to take on something that, probably takes longer, you lose a little money. Don't beat yourself up. Because the thing about a contractor, to me, I can relate it to the streets. You can make money every single day, brother. And ladies, because there's plenty of women out here. So if you're looking to win, you got to be resilient. You got to be able to take your losses and your wins. All right. So again, if you're looking to become a contractor in 2025, these are the top 3 things you can learn, are the top 3 skills you must have in order to win. So again, join the community, leave a comment below. If you agree or disagree, let me know how you feel. What's the top 3 skills you must have in 2025 to become a contractor? All right.